Here is another thing I would like to add to a video that I already made, and I will put a link to that video at the end of this video. And it's just another way that you can add a nosing to an existing stairway. So instead of adding something to the front of it that's going to break off eventually, and I would definitely suggest watching the other video for more ideas, you can simply remove the existing treads and add it to the back. You're going to add it the same way. You're going to nail the strip to the treads. You can use adhesive, you can use dowels, you can use screws, you can use staples or even finish nails. And I know something like this is going to be a lot of work, so I'm not about to suggest that this is the best method. However, it is another method, something to think about and put in your carpenter or do-it-yourself or toolbox to use in the future or share with others.